Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TD Ameritrade alerts with mobile notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your TD Ameritrade mobile app. Log in with your account credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the alerts option in the menu. Tap on the alerts section to access alert settings. Choose Create Alert to start setting up a new notification. Select the type of alert you want to create, such as price alerts or news alerts. Specify the conditions for your alert. For price alerts, enter the stock symbol. Set the price level at which you want to be notified. Choose whether you want to be notified when the price crosses above, below, or equals your set level. If you're setting news alerts, select relevant categories or keywords. Set the frequency of notifications according to your preference. Review your alert settings for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to activate the alert. Ensure that your mobile notifications are enabled in your phone settings. Open the Settings app on your mobile device. Scroll down to find the TD Ameritrade app in your list of applications. Tap on it to access notification settings. Make sure the toggle for notifications is turned on. Return to the TD Ameritrade app to confirm your alerts are set up correctly. You can manage or edit your existing alerts from the Alerts section at any time. Now you're ready to receive timely notifications based on your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.